In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a portrait video clip in Google Vids. So first open up your project, or you can also create one by clicking on this add button. So here you'll actually be given options on the size or aspect ratio of the video you'd like to create. So here simply choose portrait and proceed with a blank vid. And now you can pretty much start working around here. And of course, add your video in the canvas. You can just directly drag your video. And now, of course, you may want to fit this in your layout. And to do that, click on this icon or video size icon in this top toolbar. And of course, make sure to choose portrait. Then click on apply. And if you want your video to fit exactly with your canvas size, just right click on it, then click on expand video to fill the scene. So as you can see, it will fill the exact size of your video layout. Just make necessary adjustments so that the elements you want will show up in your new video layout. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.